Hi, I'm Josh Walters. I'm the General Manager of SureFire Ag Systems, and we're the parent company of SureFire Electronics.
My name's Tim McPhee. I'm the General Manager here at SureFire Electronics. SureFire Ag, our parent company, was started in 2007, and a couple years after that they saw a need for better control over their harnessing. They had some failed harnessing coming in, and it was causing some issues that they needed to resolve. So in 2012 they started SureFire Electronics so that they had the control over the harnessing that they needed to have.
SureFire Ag Systems has grown fast, and so did our need for wiring harnesses from SureFire Electronics. It was that growth of shipping SureFire Ag products all across the country and even globally that caused us to need more capacity here at SureFire Electronics.
So our old building was actually an old cheese plant. They made cheese in it years and years ago, and we outgrew it, and basically we were on top of each other, and it was cutting into our production. So we decided it was time to expand and build this new building.
The new building gives us the ability to hire more people and just increase our overall production to keep up with SureFire Ag Systems and our other customers as well. It has a lot of unique features that we needed specifically for wiring harness and electronics manufacturing. We have a controller room that is fully protected from static discharge so that we don't cause any problems on those printed circuit boards and the components on them. Next to that, we have our brader room. Braders are loud mechanical equipment, and by soundproofing that room extensively, we've been able to keep that sound in and make the jobs outside of the brader room much better, much quieter, just a much better working environment.
With our new improved facility, we do have room to expand and grow. We're excited to see where the future can take us.